Welcome to Pluto, your arsenal for AI-powered tools that support you from research to trade. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting feature of Pluto's AI investing Copilot, Canvas. This powerful tool allows you to create bespoke dashboards, monitor specific stocks, track portfolio performance, and follow market trends. So let's get started. It's as simple as going to the Canvas tab and clicking the Create Canvas button. You can explore some of the pre-existing canvases that have already been created, or you can enter your own prompt. In this video, we'll focus on customizing our very own canvas. For example, we can prompt Plato to create a canvas that explores Apple and its competitors. Once you're done with your prompt, you can add stocks by clicking this button. You can also remove stocks by clicking on the icon. Once you're ready to move to the next page, you'll see the canvas start to generate before your eyes. Now, if the widgets that have generated on your canvas don't meet your needs, you can adjust the size, change the prompt, or re-roll altogether for 4 brand new generated widgets. And once you're done, you can share the dashboard with a link or an image. We offer a wide variety of widgets for you to visualize and monitor the metrics that matter. These widgets include line charts, stock report cards, and many others. Let me show you how to add a widget. To add a widget, locate the Add a Widget box. You'll select the size, the visual type, and describe what you want to see. The options for visualizations range from showing the most recent value of a metric, such as Apple's market cap, for example, or you can choose an entire report card for a variety of metrics at your fingertips. As you see, we do offer a lot of ways to graphically visualize your data. Take a moment to peruse the drop-down menu options. Now that we know how to modify the visualizations and navigate through the options, let's discuss the specific data that these graphical representations can showcase. The data can range from specific asset insights to broader economic data, and it all depends on what you need. You can display key metrics of an asset, get the latest SEC filings, screen for stocks, view the composition of an index, and much more. For this example, I'll ask about the P/E ratio of Apple and its competitors. Specify the type of data you'd like your widget to use. Awesome, and just like that, we have a new widget. But how do we take action on this relevant data? Well, Pluto Canvas is not just about powerful and stunning visualizations. These dashboards also give you the tools to act on the data. Each widget has a set of actions that you can use. Using the prompts and your data, you can create an alert, build an automation, or even make a trade right from your dashboard. Once you click on an action, you'll be directed to a new page where you can continue the process. And there you have it. I hope you found this overview of Pluto Canvas and widgets helpful. We've designed these dashboards to turn data into action. And remember, at pluto.fi, you're in charge. Plato does not offer financial advice. We're committed to developing the tools you need to take research to trade. If there's anything that our community wants us to add to the platform, don't hesitate to ask. Drop it in the comments below. That's all we have today. Later, traders.